Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change Google search region. Before starting this video, please subscribe and channel. Open Google app and tap on top right your profile icon. Now, here you have to click on settings. After that you have to scroll down and click on other settings. Now you have to click on language and region. Now, here you have to again click on search origin. Now here you can select any region as per your wish. In this way you can change the region of Google search. If you like this video then please subscribe the channel. See you in another new interesting video.